this is like the main area, and they designate you a table, and you come here every night and then you sit at the same table. They give you a menu, and in this menu, so you get the chef's recommendations, you get starters, main courses. They also have desserts, and then there's drinks, but drinks usually with Royal and with cruise ships is a package that you have to get. For this one, we didn't get that package. Instead, we got the coffee package because that's a must. I got myself a lemonade. We don't know if it's included or not. Sandy was embarrassed to say no. It's really yummy. So this is the bread. I think they have two different types of bread. There's one that's a little crunchier, and that one's a little bit more soft. That's like a milk bread, right?
Actually, 3 types.
Really? Okay, and then they have butter too. Sandy, be careful. Oh, those are the best. So Sandy ordered a crab cake. We don't have to pay anything for this, and then we can order as much as we want. I ordered this artichoke and spinach dip. You have to be honest. Is it good? Does it taste like a TV dinner? Tastes really good. Is it fresh?
I like it.
It's really good. It's really, really good. Wow. This is the short rib. It has mashed potatoes, veggies. Mr. Sandy Wendy got the same exact thing. Lifesaver, literally, because I'm jet lagged. I admit it. Yum, yum, yum. So this is what I'm having. This is fish. I am not picky with fish. It has a little sauce. It has corn, garnishments, snow peas. Can't see it from here, but it's not bad. I think it's good. The sauce is really good, but I like it. So Mr. Sandy is having this. What is this, Sandy?
It was something with
Peanut butter. And then and then this right here, this is a key lime pie. It's really, really yummy. I already had the first bite. Hey guys, so I am outside Cafe Promenade, and this is a cafe that if you have the card that you purchase when you get the coffee package here on the cruise, that's the one that, you know, you get an espresso for whenever you want. Well, there's a maximum amount, but they have a Starbucks here, and that works if you want to get a Starbucks coffee. They also have something that I think is so cool. They have sandwiches, and they have desserts that you can get completely free if you want. And then they have a beautiful patio-like outside sitting area, and then they also have dining inside. Hello everyone, so this is my outfit. This is from SAG, but for dinner time you always bring a little bit more, something a little bit more dressy. Usually it's like that. Ooh, this looks really yummy. This is a gazpacho. This is cold. So this is a Spanish soup. Let me know in the comments if you've had it before. And this you have on a hot summer day. It's cold and it's really, really yummy. Mr. Sandy?
when in Greek.
When in Greece.
You get a Greek salad.
This is a salmon that I ordered. Looks really, really good. The presentations are the best here. And Sandy had this. Ooh. Oh wow, Sandy.
It's later.
2 minutes later. Oh my god. Okay. Was it good?
Yeah, that was good.
It was flavorful. I've noticed that the food here is really, really good.
No, that's all good.
This has been the best food I've had on a cruise, honestly. So what did you get for dessert, Sandy?
I forgot. What is hazelnut?
Oh, that's the hazelnut I talked about. Oh, I have to taste it. And it has ice cream. Yum, yum. Panna cotta.
This is whipped cream.
This is delicious. Today they have my favorite bread, which is this one. And then they serve this at the table every time. You get it with nice. Okay, you get it with butter. Love that. Yum yum. Wow. Which one is that one?
Your main.
The main. I'm also getting that one, right? Okay. Let's take an up close. Yum. And this is the French onion soup. This is the actual appetizer. Sandy, what did you get?
Steaks and fries.
This is what I got, the salmon. Looks yummy. This looks so yummy. Oh my god. Sandy, you're having a carrot cake. Carrot cake itself is delicious. We're gonna talk about the science behind all the food that's available inside the cruise, and then because there's a lot, you know. So just so you guys have an idea, when we were on Jewel of the Seas with also Royal Caribbean, what they do is that at every port, well, most ports, that's where they load and they unload the food. Now, the amount of food, especially with the amount of people, and the fact that they have buffets everywhere, and then you come here and it's unlimited, it's just mind-blowing that on a cruise ship they can do all of this. And not only that, it's just it's a floating city. This cruise is humongous. I'm telling you, it's to the point that I haven't gotten seasick. I got seasick at Norwegian Epic and I got seasick at Jewel of the Seas, but at this one I haven't, because it's such a big ship that you don't feel the, I don't know, like the cruise doesn't move. I think it has to be, well, I don't want to say it because, you know, then we're gonna be like I don't want to jinx it.
2.5 hours later.
2.5 hours later, I'm sick. If you guys ever want to do an excursion, like, or if you guys want to travel, the best way and my favorite way of doing it is with a cruise, because I know this is a slogan from Viking, spend more time being there than getting there, but that's the true meaning of a cruise if you think about it. And I don't know, I think it's just it's the best when you come on a cruise ship. You have restaurants, you have buffets, and then you can get deals online, and it's really not that expensive. Where it gets expensive is if you guys like just come as one person. And then obviously when you're on the cruise, like, you can get deals, like you can add on excursions, you can just get off the ship if you don't want to do an excursion and just do it on your own. But it's a lot of fun, guys. Like, cruise ships are the best. Here is the dessert. So Sandy's a copycat. He got the same thing. Right, Sandy? Let me see. Try it. Is it good? Yum. I hope that you guys loved this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I recently went on a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia, and I'm uploading the videos here on YouTube. I would love it if you would subscribe. I have lots of tips, and I take you all around the cities where the ship docked. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.